Very good evening to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about cell the unit of life, where we will be getting some 2 to 3 questions, sometimes even 4 questions. So that chapter we are going to discuss some important questions. Am I audible to all of you? I think. Shall we start the class, children? Yes. So before we start today, as you know, the cell is broadly classified into two types. One is prokaryote, another one is eukaryotes. Hi Sanjay, very good evening. So prokaryote does not have any membrane bound organelle. Eukaryotes have membrane bound organelle. Of course, which and all comes under endomembrane system. We have four components under endomembrane system, which are we have endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, and then lysosomes, vacuoles. So mitochondria and as well as chloroplast and all does not come under any endomembrane system. Hi Tilak, very good evening. Hi Tarunika, very good evening. So shall we start? Are you all ready with the answers? Cell the unit of life. So the first question is on the board. Yes, mesosomes do not help in dash. Yes, Kamal, very good evening. Mesosomes do not help in dash. Yes, any of you? Mesosomes, as you know, they are the infoldings of the membrane of plasma membrane. They increase the surface area even. They involved in cell wall formation, DNA replication, as there is no mitochondria respiration. Of course, they do not involve in photosynthesis. Is very correct answer, Tarunika. Excellent answer, 100%. It is correct. Very correct answer. Very good. Okay, let us see the next question. So lipids of plasma membrane. So there are some points. They are arranged in bilayer. They have non-polar end and polar tail. They are responsible for quasi-fluid nature. Enables lateral movement of protein. So what are the properties of lipids? Of course, any of you? Yes, they are arranged in bilayer, as you know, very correct. And then they have polar head and non-polar tail. So this is wrong. They are responsible for quasi-fluid nature. Yes, it is correct. And enables lateral movement of the protein is also correct. So A, C, D or true is the correct answer, children. So any answer from your side, children? Yes, even if it is wrong, no issue. Please do answer me. Don't hesitate to answer. When we are wrong, also we try to learn certain things. Yes, fine. So let us go to the next question. Sodium and potassium pump in animal cells. Yes, Sanjay, it is 3 and Tarunika, it is 3. Excellent answer by both of you. Very good. Congrats. Superb answer, 100%. It was correct answer for the previous one. Now, sodium and potassium pump in animal cell is dash. Yes, it is energy dependent process. Yes, Kamal, very correct answer for the previous one. Is it example of passive transport? No, it is active transport. So this is wrong. Transport ion along their concentration? No. Involves exocytosis? No. So this is the correct answer. It is energy dependent process. Yes, Sanjay, 100% correct. And Tarunika also very correct answer by both of you. Now, next question. So, we have to match the column 1 and column 2. Here, I gave some scientist name, like as you know, Leeuwenhoek, Matthias Siliden, Theodor Schwann, Rudolf Virchow. is the answer. Yes, Kamal, excellent answer by you. 100% correct answer, Kamal. Okay, very good. So let us see the answer for this match. The chat is slow. Might be net somewhere is slow. You can keep answering. It's not an issue. We can make it. Yes, Kamal, very correct. C has given and Tarunika and Tilak has given C. Let us see. Yes, Leeuwenhoek observed living cell for the first time. As you all know, he is a cloth merchant only. As an accidental incident, he discovered a cell, living cell. Schleiden, of course, is a British zoologist. Schwann, German botanist. And Rudolf Virchow, omnicellula, e cellula is very correct answer. Yes, be positive, very correct answer. Excellent answer by all. So C is the correct answer. Excellent answer by you all. 100% correct. Very good. Rocking. Now next question. So little lengthy question. Which of the following statement is incorrect about cell theory? Matthias Schleiden and German botanists examined a large number of plants and observed that all plants are composed of different kinds of cells. Theodor Schwann, a British zoologist, studied different types of animal cells. Rudolf Ludwig Karl Virchow was a German biologist, first explained that cells divided and new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. Schleiden and Schwann together modified the hypothesis of Virchow to give cell theory a final shape. Yes, Schleiden is botanist only. So what was wrong? We are supposed to find out. Yes, Jeevan, very good evening. Yes, Tarunika and B positive answered D. Yes, Shilidan and Schwann together modified Virchow. No. Virchow only modified Shilidan and Schwann concept of cell theory saying omnis e cellula cellula. Yes, option 4 is very correct answer. Excellent answer by Sanjay, Kamal and Tarunika as well as B positive. Yes. So let us see the next question. Which of the following points were not explained by Schleiden and Schwann when they formulated their original cell theory? All plants are composed of different kinds of cell which form the tissue of the plant. Animal cells had a thin outer layer which is today known as plasma membrane. Cells divide and new cells are formed from pre-existing cells. The presence of cell wall is a unique character of plant cell. So these are the 4 points which is not. Yes, previous question it was D. Very correct. Excellent answer by Jeevan. So now for this question, it is C. Excellent answer. It is C. Cells divide and new cells are formed from pre-existing cell. Omni C cellula cellula is proposed by Virchow, not by Schleiden and Schwann. Yes, it is C. Excellent answer. Yes, Aditya, very good evening. Happy day. How you are writing your exams? All the best for next coming exams. Do well. All my prayers for you. Yes, Jeevan, Tilak and Tarunika, it is the excellent answer. Yes, be positive. Now, next question. It's a match kind of question where we have osmosis, active transport and passive transport. And column 2 saying without any requirement of energy and ATP is utilized. So what would be your answer? Yes, Tarunika answered B. Yes, Sanjay answered D. Let us see anyway. Osmosis, of course, osmosis without any requirement of energy, yes. Active transport ATP is utilized. and passive transport without any requirement of energy. So A is 1 and B is 2. Again C is 1. Yes, D is the correct answer. Might be you with a hurry little might have made wrong. So D is the correct answer. Yes, Tilak, Kamal and Jeevan. Sanjay, excellent. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Tarunika. Very good. Okay, next question. Let us proceed. Which among the following statement is incorrect for plasma membrane? Carbohydrates are not present. Bilayer consists of lipids. Yes, Sanjay. It is seen in plants as well as animals. Proteins are found to be unintegrated as well as loosely associated with lipid bilayer. So, which is the wrong statement we are supposed to find out, children? So, B positive said D and Tarunika said D. Yes, Kamal. Jeevan said D. Yes, Kamal also said D. Yes, proteins are found integrated. Okay, so that is what the wrong statement in this um, following. So D is the correct answer, children. Yes, excellent answer. 100%. You are all very correct. Very good. So let us see the next question. For fluid mosaic model, identify the correct statement. Proteins are embedded in phospholipid bilayer. Phospholipid layer is sandwiched between two protein layer. Phospholipid bilayer is present over protein layer. Phospholipid is a monolayer present. So what is correct? We are supposed to find out. Any guessings? Yes, Tarunika answered A. Positive answered A. Tilak answered A. Kamal answered A. Yes, it is A. Very correct. So, previous question also we know unintegrated was the statement we find out wrong. So, embedded in phospholipid. Lipid only bilayer. So, this is the correct statement. Very correct, children. Sanjay, Jeevan, Kamal and Tilak, B positive and Tarunika. Very good. Excellent answer by you all. So, let us proceed to the next question. Find the incorrect statement. Reserved food material in prokaryotic cells are stored in cytoplasm in the form of inclusion bodies. Inclusion bodies are not bounded by any membrane and they lie freely in the cytoplasm. Gas vacuoles are found in blue, green, and purple and green chemosynthetic bacteria. The ribosome of a polysome translates the mRNA into protein. It's a single word statement which is incorrect. So little tricky. Let me see. We find out. Yes, Vaishnavi. Very good evening, pa. Very good evening. Yes, Arunika and B positive answered C for this question. Jeevan also said C. Yes, Vaishnavi said C. Very good, excellent answer. It is photosynthetic. That is the only single word change. So it makes incorrect. If it is photosynthetic bacteria, it is a correct statement. Yes, Kamal, excellent answer. So excellent answer by you all, Sanjay. Now next question. Which of the following is incorrect about cell? Unicellular organism are capable of independent existence, self-performing the essential functions of life. Anything less than a complete structure of cell do ensure independent living. Cell is the fundamental structure and functional unit of all living organism. Yes, C is very correct answer. Excellent answer by you all. So anything less than a complete structure of a cell does not ensure the independent living. Okay. So this is the correct answer. Excellent, Kamal, Sanjay, Jeevan, Tarunika and Vaishnavi. Yes, it is very correct answer. Now next question, let us proceed. Which layer of the cell envelope determine the shape of the cell and provides a strong structural support to prevent a bacteria from bursting or collapsing? Which structure prevent the bacteria from collapsing is the question. Is it a capsule or glycocalyx or cell wall or cell membrane? Yes, Tarunika said it is C. B positive said it is C. Kamal said it is C. Yes. Vaishnavi said C. Yes, it is cell wall. Very correct answer. Excellent, children. Excellent performance. Yes, it is C. Cell wall is the correct answer, which prevent the bacteria from collapsing or bursting. Now let us discuss one assertion and reason question. Plasmids are double-stranded extra-chromosomal circular DNA. So first statement. Plasmids are possessed by eukaryotic cells. It's a second statement. So what is your answer? Yes, Sanjay. C is the very correct answer. Excellent answer by Sanjay. Yes, Vaishnavi said C. Kamal said C. And yes, C is the very correct answer. Of course, plasmids are double-stranded extra chromosomal DNA, as you can see in the bacteria. This is correct, but it is processed by prokaryotic. So this is wrong. So C is the correct answer. Excellent answer. Yes, Jeevan. Now next question. Centrosome and centrioles are related to each other. Centrosome usually contain two cylindrical structures called centrioles. Yes, the assertion and reason. Centrosome and centrioles are related to each other is correct statement. Of course, you will find out. Centrosome usually contain two cylindrical structures called centriole. Of course, a pair of centriole called centrosome also correct. So, the answer is A given by B positive. Yes, it is A because it explains about centrosome. So, assertion and reason are correct and it explains the assertion. Yes, very correct answer by Kamal, Jeevan as well as Tilak, Tarunika. B positive. Yes. The next question. Lysosomes are capable of digesting carbohydrates, proteins, lipids and nucleic acids. Yes. They have hydrolytic enzyme like lipase, protease and carbohydrates is also correct. So what is your answer? So B positive said A. Tarunika said A. Yes, it is A because it can digest as it is having the enzyme. Is the correct answer, children? Yes, Vaishnavi, it is A answer. Very correct answer. Excellent answer, Kamal. Yes, very good. Rocking. Very good. So next question. Choose the incorrect statement about mesosome. They are specialized membranous structure formed by the extension of cell membrane. As we discussed, they are infolding of plasma membrane. Their prominent role in cell wall formation and DNA replication also correct. They are found as chromatophore in the cytoplasm, of some prokaryotes like cyanobacteria. They help in several secretion as they do not have the Golgi complex. Of course, they will do secretion process. Yes, very correct answer, Sanjay, for the previous one. And yes, Sarunika answered C. What about others? Yes, it is C actually. They are specialized membranous structure formed by the extension of plasma membrane is very correct. So this only is the wrong. Now next question. Some structures are mentioned below. Find that ones that are not found in prokaryotes. So we won't find these things in the prokaryotes. What are they? Yes, Jeevan answered very first. Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies, as you know, they are membrane bound. So they won't be there. So 1 and 2 is very correct answer, children. Excellent answer by Jeevan. Yes, very good evening, Masi, after a long time. Very good evening. Yes, Vaishnavi, it is C. Excellent answer by Vaishnavi. Yes, 100% you are correct. It is C. Yes, Kamal, very correct answer. Excellent answer by you. Okay, next question. The term glycocalyx is meant for what? A layer present between cell wall and membrane of bacteria. Cell wall of bacteria. Bacterial cell glycoengineered to possess N-glycosylated protein. A layer of surrounding the cell wall of bacteria. So what would be your answer, children? Yes, Tarunika answered and Vaishnavi answered. Yes, Kamal and Jeevan. Yes, Mercy. Excellent answer by you all. You're all rocking today. Yes, it is a layer that surrounds the cell wall. We call it as glycocalyx. Of course, you know it may be slimy or it may be rigid also. This is what glycocalyx. Okay. Yes. D is very correct answer, Sanjay. Now, next question. Let us proceed. A small circular DNA outside the genomic DNA are seen in many bacteria. What are these small DNA called? So you can find outside the nucleoid or genophore is what called. Yes, Tarunika answered B. Kamal answered B. Vaishnavi answered B. Yes, it is plasmid. As you know, plastid means chloroplast. Okay, so it is plasmid extra chromosomal circular DNA. Very correct answer, children. So, which type of organism is PPLO? Next question. Yes, Jeevan, very correct answer. It is PPLO means what? It is pneumonio like organism. So, pneumonia like organism which we name as mycoplasma. Of course, very good. Excellent answer by you all. Yes, Arunika, Vaishnavi and Kamal. And yes, be positive. Yes, it is C. Prokaryote, as you all know, it is a bacteria-like and smaller than bacteria organism. Okay. So this is pneumonia-like organism. Mycoplasma is a prokaryote. Now next question. It's a assertion and reason. Yes, Sanjay is very correct. See. Next question is assertion and reason type. The endomembrane system comprise endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes and vacuoles. Reason. Mitochondria, chloroplast, peroxisome are not part of endomembrane system as their functions are not coordinated with the same. So what would be your answer, children? Yes, Tarunika answered B. Jeevan answered B. Yes, Jeevan, very correct. 100% answer is correct, Jeevan. Excellent answer by you. And be positive, Kamal. Yes. So it is correct. Endomembrane system comprises endoplasmic vacuole and all. And this is also correct. They have double membrane. The functions are different. ATP synthesis and lysing process and all happening. So both are correct, but it is not explaining why endoplasmic reticulum belong to endomembrane system. So connection is not there. So it is coming under B. Now next question. Again assertion and reason only, children. Yes. Assertion, organism are made up of cells. So every organism is made up of cell is the first point. Cells are structural unit of living organism. A cell keep its chemical composition steady within its boundary. So what is your answer, children? Tanika gave her answer. Yes, anyone else? Yes, B positive answered B. Yes, Jeevan answered B. And Tilak, yes, it is organisms are made up of cell is correct statement. And cells are the structural and functional unit of living organism and it is keeping the chemical composition steady within its boundary is explaining. So it is A. Very correct answer, children who answered A. Yes. So you know cells are structural and functional unit of living organism. So it is made up of cell explained. So A is the correct answer. Excellent answer by you all. 100% you are correct. So let us proceed to the next question, which is also assertion and reason. Sheridan and Schwann were the first to observe the cells and put forward cell theory. The cells are always a dead unit is the reason. B positive answered, Tarunika answered, and Vaishnavi answered. Um, yes, Sanjay answered, Kamal answered. Yes, first one, if you see, Sheridan and Schwann were the first to observe the cell. No, they put forward cell theory is correct. It is Robert Hooke and Leeuwenhoek who observed the dead cell and living cell. Yes or not? So this is wrong. And cells are always a living unit. Okay. So this is also wrong. So both assertion and reason or false is the correct answer, children. So each word we are supposed to see very carefully. If you see first word is wrong, second word is correct in the assertion statement. Let us see the next question, children. Which of the following is seen only in prokaryotic cell? That means bacteria and all you can find this particular cell organelle. Is it lysosome or ribosome or mesosome or endoplasmic reticulum is the question. Yes, Kamal. Tarunika answered B. Yes, Kamal answered. Sanjay answered. Yes, B positive answered. Yes, it is C. Very correct answer. Of course, you can find only. Only is a clue word here. Only mesosomes you can find in prokaryotic. Of course, ribosome you find both prokaryote and eukaryote. So, C will be the more correct answer, children. Excellent answer by you all. Keep rocking. Yes, let us proceed to the next question. So next question says what? The most prokaryotic cells, particularly the bacterial cells, have a chemically complex cell envelope. The cell envelope consists of tightly bound three-layer structure from outer to inner or dash. Yes, Vaishnavi answered C. Tarunika answered C. Yes, Kamal answered, and Jeevan is B positive. Yes, excellent answer. Of course, you know glycocalyx followed by cell wall, which is followed by plasma membrane. So C is very correct answer. Excellent answer by you all children. Okay, next question. So how many of the following statements are incorrect? So we have to find the wrong statement. The shape of the cell may vary with the function they perform. Nerve cell or some of the longest cell. The largest isolated single cell is the egg of an ostrich. Blue-green algae or eukaryotes. Prokaryotic cells are generally smaller and multiply slowly than eukaryotic cell. So what would be your answer? Yes, Sanjay, very correct answer. Yes, be positive. Sanjay and Vaishnavi, Tarunika, Kamal, Tilak all answered. Yes, shape of the cell may vary with the function they perform. Yes, correct. Nerve cell or some of the longest cell, correct. The largest isolated cell of the egg ostrich is correct. Blue-green algae is a prokaryote. So it is wrong statement. Prokaryotic cells are generally smaller and multiply faster. Every 18 minutes, you know, E. coli multiplied than eukaryotic. So these two are wrong statements. So A is the very correct answer, children. Excellent answer by you all. You are all rocking. Yes. So next question, let us see, children. Yes, Jeevan, very correct answer by you. 100% correct. A was the correct answer. Now we have to find out the wrong statements regarding the bacterial cell. Glycocalyx is the outermost envelope in bacteria. Glycocalyx could be a loose sheath called capsule. Glycocalyx may be thick and tough called slimy layer. A special structure formed by the plasma membrane is called mesosome. A small bristle-like fibers sprouting out of the cell are called fimbriae. So which are all wrong? We are supposed to find out. Yes, Sanjay, thank you. Thank you for the emoji. Yes. Vaishnavi answered C. Yes, Kamal answered. Tarunika answered. Jeevan answered Tilak, yes. So glycocalyx is outermost envelope, very correct. And of course, this is wrong. It is a tight, thick, tough sheath is called capsule and loose sheath is called slimy layer. So these two are wrong. So B and C are wrong is the correct answer. Excellent answer, children. Very correct answer. You're all rocking. Keep rocking. Let us proceed to the next question. Yes, Sanjay. Be positive, Jeevan, Tilak, Kamal, Tarunika. Very good. Now, next question. Glycosylation of lipid is a function of which cell organelle? Is it lysosome or smooth endoplasmic reticulum or Golgi complex or mitochondria? So, what would be your answer? Yes, Tarunika, be positive, and Vaishnavi answered. Um, Glycosylation of lipids, yes. Of course, it is Golgi complex. Yes, it will add either Golgi complex only makes glycoproteins and glycolipids. So, whatever protein and lipid we are making from the endoplasmic reticulum passes through Golgi complex where it packages as Golgi material. So glycosylation happens in Golgi complex is the correct answer. Excellent answer by you all. Very good. Keep it up. So let us proceed to the next question. Which question says the site of oxidative phosphorylation? Oxidative phosphorylation, where it happens is the question. Yes, Sanjay, it was B. Very correct answer. Mitochondria, Vaishnavi, yes. It is mitochondria. And Tarunika, B positive, yes. It is mitochondria is the correct answer. And oxidative, if at all photophosphorylation, of course it is chloroplast. As it is oxidative, as you all know, it is mitochondria. Very correct answer, children. Excellent answer by Jeevan, Kamal and Tilak. 100% you are correct. So let us proceed to the next question, which is a match kind of question, where in one column we have cell organelle like Golgi apparatus, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, contractile vacuole, mitochondria. Functions are given on the other side. So you are going to match it. B positive answered A. Vaishnavi answered. Jeevan, yes. Arunika, yes. So Golgi apparatus, just now we discussed, it is glycosylation. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, detoxification of drugs apart from steroid synthesis. Contractile vacuole in amoeba, look after the excretion. And mitochondria, ATP synthesis. So, you know, it is Golgi apparatus, glycosylation, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, detoxification, contractile vacuole excretion, and ATP synthesis. So A is very correct answer. A great applause to you all. Very correct. Excellent answer by you all. So let us proceed to the next question. The question says, keeping in view the fluid mosaic model for the structure of cell membrane, which one of the following statement is correct with respect to the movement of lipids and proteins from one lipid monolayer to the other? Described as flip-flop movement. Yes, Vaishnavi, Tarunika and B positive. Kamal. Yes, Jeevan. Yes, while the lipids can freely flip-flop, freely actually. While lipids can freely flip-flop, it should be free. Okay. Freely flip-flop, proteins cannot is the answer. So this should be the answer, the type error. It is freely flip-flop. Proteins cannot flip-flop. Flip-flop movement, you know, vertical movement from one corner to the another corner of the cell is the correct answer, children. Yes, very good. It is 2. Next question, let us see, where we have to arrange the following in the increasing of the size. So smallest to biggest, you are going to arrange the cells based on their size. Yes, B positive answered A, Tarunika answered D, and Kamal answered B. Yes, let us see. Of course, virus is smaller than bacteria, then PPLO is smaller than bacteria, and then eukaryotic cell. So A will be more correct answer. Okay. So A is the correct answer. Excellent answer, children, by Jeevan, Tarunika, Kamal, and Vaishnavi. Yes, B positive, all of you. So let us see the next question. In membranes, the lipids are arranged within the membrane with the dash heads towards the outer side and the dash tail towards the inner part. Okay, be positive answered for this question. Tarunika answered. Vaishnavi answered. Jeevan answered. Kamal answered. Yes, it is membrane. The lipids arranged within the membrane, polar heads and charged tail or hydrophobic tail. Both are correct actually. So answer is both. Um, sorry. Answer is both B and C. Polar heads are hydrophobic or non-polar tail. Both are correct. So this is the correct answer. Answer is both B and C. Excellent answer, Jeevan, Kamal, and Sanjay. Let us proceed to the next question. Bacteria show a range in the number of arrangement of flagella. Bacterial flagellum is composed of dash. So you may be knowing if the bacteria possess one flagella, we call it as monotrichous. If it possesses many flagella, we call it as peritrichous. So what are the parts we could find on the flagella is the question. The answer for this question. Yes, so you got confused because of the base. Filament, hook, and basal body is the correct answer. Yes. So three parts, that is filament, hook, and basal body. Very correct answer. Excellent, children. Yes, Kamal, Tarunika, Jeevan, be positive, and Vaishnavi. Yes, those who answered very correctly. Yes, let us proceed to the next question. Gas vacuoles are found in dash. Gas vacuoles, we can find it in dash. Gas vacuoles are found in dash is the question. Yes, Vaishnavi, B positive, and Tarunika, Jeevan answered. It is C. Yes, blue-green photosynthetic and purple-green photosynthetic bacteria is 100% correct answer, children. Excellent answer by you all. Yes, Kamal, very correct answer. So answer is both A and B is the correct answer. C option. Yes. So let us proceed to the next question. Before we proceed to the next question, yes, Mansiura, very good evening. Happy to see you. Your answer is here. C, very correct answer. So we are going to discuss a small story for motivation. இப்போ நிறைய பேருக்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் நிறைய படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கிறதுனால சின்னதா ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? அதுக்காக இந்த சின்ன குட்டி கதையை ஐம் கோயிங் டு ஷேர் வித் யூ. தெர் வாஸ் அ சயின்டிஸ்ட். அவர் வந்து ஒரு சைக்காட்ரிஸ்ட். அவரோட பேர் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்டோன். அவரோட பேரே அதான். இஸ் அ டாக்டர், சைக்காட்ரிஸ்டுமே கூட. அவர் என்ன பண்ணாரு அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு சின்ன ரிசர்ச் மாதிரி பண்றாரு. கொஞ்சம் பேஷண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வந்து என்ன பண்றாரு, இந்த ரைனோ வைரஸ குடுக்குறாரு. ரைனோ வைரஸ் எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகும் அப்படின்றது உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். எஸ் திலக், வைஷ்ணவி, ஜீவன் எல்லாரும் ஆன்சர் போட்டுட்டாங்க இதுக்கானது. எஸ் போத் ப்ரோகாரியோட்டிக், யூகாரியோட்டிக் இஸ் ரிபோசோம். வெரி கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். எக்ஸலென்ட் ஆன்சர் பை யூ ஆல். இப்ப இந்த கதையை நம்ம முடிச்சிருவோம். இந்த கதையில என்ன சொல்ல வர்றாரு அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, ஸ்டோன் என்ன பண்றாரு, ரைனோ வைரஸ அவரோட பேஷண்ட்ஸ்க்கு கொடுக்குறாரு. உங்க எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ரைனோ வைரஸ் காசஸ் டேஷ், யாராவது சொல்ல முடியுமா? ரைனோ வைரஸ் காசஸ் டேஷ். எஸ் சில்ட்ரன். So rhinovirus causes cold. Yes, B positive சொல்லிருக்காரு. Yes, it is cold actually. அப்போ கோல்டு வர்றதுக்கான வைரஸ் அவர் பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு கொடுக்குறாரு. கொடுத்துட்டு அவரோட அனாலிசிஸ் என்ன? எஸ் மன்சீரா, வெரி கரெக்ட். இட் இஸ் காமன் கோல்ட். அண்ட் யூ நோ தெர் ஆர் மோர் தென் 300 ரைனோ வைரஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால தான் நம்மளால வேக்சின்ஸ் கொண்டு வர முடியல இல்லையா? அப்போ அவர் பேஷண்ட் கொடுத்துட்டு அவர் வந்து பேஷண்டோட ஹாப்பினஸ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, நம்ம எவ்வளவு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கோம் அந்த வாரம் அப்படின்றதுக்கு 1 to 10 அப்படின்னு ஒரு வேல்யூஸ் கொடுக்குறாரு. இப்ப நான் ரொம்ப ஹையஸ்ட் லெவல்ல ஹாப்பியா இருந்தேன்னா 10 போட்டுக்கலாம், இல்ல 9 போட்டுக்கலாம், 8 போட்டுக்கலாம். அந்த மாதிரி என்னோட வேல்யூஸை நான் கொடுத்துக்கிறேன். சரியா? இப்போ ஃபைனலி அவர் அனலைஸ் பண்ணும்போது ஆன்டிபாடியை செக் பண்றாரு சலைவால. சோ எவ்வளவு பேர் வந்து ஆன்டிபாடி ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது இந்த ஹையஸ்ட் ஹாப்பினஸ்ல இருக்கவங்களுக்கு வந்து ஆன்டிபாடி ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ரொம்ப அதிகமா இருந்துதான். ஸோ சே ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 10, 9 எல்லாம் வேல்யூ இருக்கவங்களுக்கு ஆன்டிபாடி பீக்ல இருக்கு. அதே வந்து 1 or 2 ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ல இருக்கும் அப்படின்னும் போது ஆன்டிபாடி என்ன ஆச்சு, கம்மியாயிடுச்சு. சோ அவர் என்ன சொல்றாரு அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, when you are very happy, extremely happy-ஆ இருக்கும்போது நம்மளோட இம்யூன் சிஸ்டம் நல்லா ஒர்க் ஆகுது. சோ டிஃபென்ஸ் இஸ் தேர் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு. இப்ப இந்த கதை நமக்கு எதுக்கு அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, நம்ம எதையுமே ஸ்ட்ரெஸ்ஸா பண்ணோம்னா நம்ம சிஸ்டம் கூட கோஆபரேட் பண்ணல அப்படின்றதுதான் நம்ம இந்த கதையில இருந்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும். சோ எந்த விஷயமா இருந்தாலும் ஒரு ஹாப்பி அப்ரோச்சோட பண்ணீங்கன்னா கண்டிப்பா நம்ம சக்சஸ் ஆகும் இல்லையா? சோ நம்ம இன்னும் ஒரு 4 ஹவர் படிக்கணுமே அப்படின்றத தவிர்த்துட்டு இந்த சாப்டர் நான் ஏற்கனவே படிச்சிருக்கேனே, இன்னும் ஒரு வாட்டி படிச்சிடலாமே ஈஸியா அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அதை ஸ்பிளிட் பண்ணி அந்த 4 ஹவர்ஸையே நீங்க 40 மினிட்ஸ் ஆவோ 50 மினிட்ஸ் ஆவோ ஸ்பிளிட் பண்ணி வித் ரெகுலர் இன்டர்வல் படிச்சீங்கன்னா அதுவே உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியா முடிஞ்சிடும். யூ கேன் அவாய்ட் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் அப்படின்றது தான் என்னோட சின்ன ஸ்டோரி. ஓகேயா? ஐ ஹோப் யூ என்ஜாய்ட் த ஸ்டோரி. ஐ குட் ஹவ் மோட்டிவேட்டட் யூ. இஃப் யூ ரியலி லைக் த ஸ்டோரி, நான் எப்பவுமே கேட்கிற மாதிரி தான் ஒரு சின்ன லைக்கும் ஆர் கமெண்ட்டும் நீங்க கொடுக்கலாம். ஓகேயா? So let us continue the question, children. So next question, centrioles and centrosomes occurs in the cells of dash அப்படின்றது தான் கேள்வி. இந்த சென்ட்ரியோலும் சென்ட்ரோசோமும் கிரீன் பிளான்ட்ஸ்ல இருக்கா, அனிமல்ஸ்ல இருக்கா, பாக்டீரியால இருக்கா, அல்ல போத் டிஎன்சியா? எஸ் ஜீவன், தேங்க்யூ. எஸ் தருணிகா அண்ட் கமல், சஞ்சய் எல்லாருமே ஆன்சர் கரெக்டா பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. இஃப் யூ லைக் த ஸ்டோரி அண்ட் இஃப் யூ ரியலி மோட்டிவேட்டட் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் அவாய்ட் பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு சின்ன கமெண்ட்டும் போடலாம். ஸோ வாட் வாஸ்? Yes, thank you, Tarunika and Manzura. The answer for this question, centriole and centrosomes occurs. Thank you, Sanjay. In the fire comment link podla. Yes, it is B. Manzura, Vaishnavi, Kamal and Jeevan, B positive. Yes, it is B. Animals only நம்ம என்ன பாப்போம்னா சென்ட்ரியோல்ஸ் பார்ப்போம். வெரஸ் பிளான்ட்ஸ்ல எல்லாம் அது கிடையாது. அதனாலதான் அனாஸ்ட்ரல் மைட்டாசிஸ் அப்படின்னு கூட அதை சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம. வெரஸ் அனிமல்ல வந்து ஆம்பிஆஸ்ட்ரல் மைட்டாசிஸ், ரெண்டு பக்கமும் நமக்கு ஆஸ்டர் ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் த சென்ட்ரியோல். Yes, very correct answer, Sanjay. Excellent answer by you. Now, next question, let us see. The few characters are given below. Find out the ones that are observed only in prokaryotes. Yes, please comment. I'll be waiting for your comments also. so that others will get motivated. So what are the things you can find only in prokaryotes? It's a pili, flagella, DNA, cell wall, centrosome. Yes, Tarunika answered, Manzura answered, and yes, it is presence of Pillai will be there for conjugation. Kamal answered, B positive answered, Sanjay answered. Yes, it is D. DNA also there. Cell wall is there, but there is no centrosome as we discussed. You can find only in animal cell. So the answer will be D. 1, 2, 3, 4 or correct. Excellent answer, children. Now next question. Which is the longest portion of the bacterial flagellum that extend from cell surface to the outside? Yes, it is. Manzira answered. No. B positive answered. Kamal answered. Jeevan answered. Tarunika. Yes, it is filament, which is the longest portion. Hook and basal body is very short. Filament is the long part of the flagella. So that is the correct answer. Excellent answer by you all children. Let us see the next question. It is the assertion and reason sort of question. So assertion and reason. Of course, assertion comes here. Rudolf Virchow modified the hypothesis of cell theory given by Sheridan and Schwann. Of course, correct. Cell theory states that all cell arise from pre-existing cell. Is also correct. So, what would be your answer? Yes, it is B positive. Vaishnavi, Kamal, and Jeevan. Uh, Answered B. Yes, both are correct. And it is saying cell theory only. It is not Rudolf Virchow modified cell theory. So B is the more correct answer. Both are correct, but it is not correctly explaining the assertion. Is the correct answer, children. Okay, let us see the next question. Yes, Manzira, very correct. 100% you are all correct. Rocking. Where can we find the ribosome in bacteria? So in bacteria, generally, where do we find the ribosomes? Yes, in cytoplasm is very correct answer. Many of you answered yes, Tarunika and B positive. ஓகேயா இப்போ ஒரு பயாலஜி டீச்சர் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல என்ன போஸ்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க இதுக்கு யார ஆன்சர் பண்றான்னு பார்க்கலாம் லெட் மீ சி ஐதர் இட் இஸ் மன்சியூரா ஆர் வைஷ்ணவி ஆர் பி பாசிட்டிவ் தருணிகா ஆர் ஜீவன் எஸ் ஜீவன் எக்ஸலண்ட் ஆன்சர் ஜீவன் இன் சைட்டோபிளாசம் இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல ஒரு பயாலஜிஸ்ட் என்ன போஸ்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க யார் எனக்கு ஆன்சர் சொல்ல போறது எனி கெஸ் shall I reveal the answer? Are you all ready to laugh? Yes, it is செல்ஃபீஸ். ஸோ இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்ல அவர் செல்ஃபீஸை வந்து அஃப்கோர்ஸ் போஸ்ட் பண்ணுவாரு. ஓகேயா? இன்னொரு ஒரு பெரிய காமெடி நான் சொல்லலாம்னு இருக்கேன். அந்த பெரிய காமெடி என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா, ஒரு ஜெயில்ல வந்து ஒரு பிளான்ட்டையும் அனிமலையும் போட்டாங்க. அனிமல் எஸ்கேப் ஆயிடுது. பிளான்ட் மாட்டிக்கிச்சு. ஏன்னு சொல்ல முடியுமா யாராச்சும்? அனிமல் வந்து எஸ்கேப் ஆயிடுச்சு. ஆனா பிளான்ட் மட்டும் மாட்டிக்கிச்சு. ஏன்னு எனக்கு யாராவது ஆன்சர் சொல்றீங்களா? ஓ மன்சீரா யோசிச்சுட்டு இருக்காங்க. அண்ட் ஜீவன் ஆல்சோ. எஸ் வைஷ்ணவி. ஆக்சுவலி அதுக்கான ஆன்சர் என்னன்னா, உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் செல்லுக்கு செல் வால் சுவர் இருக்கிறதுனால அதால தப்பிக்க முடியல. அனிமலுக்கு வந்து செல் வால் இல்லாததுனால அது தப்பிச்சிடுச்சு. That is the answer. Okay, fine. Anyway, with this, I will stop the class for today's session. We'll be discussing some interesting question and important questions like this in forthcoming weeks also. Keep participate. You all actively participated. You all rocked. It boosted my energy also. Thank you all for all participants and those who have interacted and those who didn't interact also. Yes. Yes, because plant cannot move also chalala. Yes, very good answer, Manzira. That can also be answer. Yes, Jeevan, cell wall is very correct answer. Yes. Thank you all for all your interactive participant, Tarunika, Manzura, Jeevan, Kamal, Vaishnavi, and Sanjay, Tilak. Those who are participated without answering also, silently watching. Everyone, I thank you so much. Thank you all children.